In front of me is Honor 600 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can operate apps permissions. Firstly, go into Settings and scroll to tap on this section called Security and Privacy. Then scroll to click on Privacy Controls. And from here scroll again, finally to tap on Permission Manager. Now tap on any of those features you want to manage. Let's go with Calendar. Now select one of your apps under one of those sections, in this case Allowed or Not Allowed. Let's go with Allowed, and pick Booking.com. Last but not least, apply any of those options, in this case allow or don't allow, and go back to see that your changes were successfully applied. But what I like to do is to pick any feature just to find an app I'm interested in. Like I will go into Photos and Videos, only to manage my gallery. Now, instead of tapping on any of those, choose See All Permissions at the very bottom and adjust all of those only for a chosen app, the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!